Hello, and welcome. This guide will work for all Android devices, at least that's what I think. Open Settings and search Buttons. Yes, choose Buttons. Surprise, you have buttons. Now you can lock the phone, if you press and hold the middle button. I will show you at the end of video, my settings to unlock your screen, with shaking and with face, or even better, with fingerprint, if you have this option. 2. Open Settings again, and type, Accessibility. Now choose, Accessibility menu. Now we will power off, without power button, as you can see. And yes, the power button still not working. Now, the best part? How to turn on the phone, without having a power button functional. Prepare the charger, but don't connect it yet. Press and hold the volume up button, with one hand and insert the power plug, with the other. We waited a bit. Now we can release the button. The first time we try with the volume up, and if it doesn't work, we try with the volume down bottom. Now select Reboot from menu, with the volume buttons, and put the phone down and wait. After about 2 minutes. Oops. Something happening. Wow, it works. We unlock. Then try to lock it again. Yes, it works normally. This button is no longer necessary for the time being, until you need a restart, so we can close it, or we can continue to use it. That was about it. Now we can use the phone without the power button. For some phones, that button plus labor can reach several hundred. We wish you success. Now I will show you my lock settings, as I promised at the beginning of this video. If you have any questions, I'm happy to help. Leave them in the comments. If this guide was useful to you, let me know in the comments, and you can even subscribe. Bye bye.